Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the incredible rise of AMD in the gaming world. If you're a gamer, you've probably noticed AMD's name popping up more and more. From CPUs to GPUs, AMD has been making serious waves in the industry. Let's take a look at how AMD went from underdog to top dog in the gaming hardware scene. But first, a quick history lesson. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, was founded in 1969. For years, they played second fiddle to Intel in the CPU market. However, things started to change in the mid-2010s for the introduction of the Ryzen series. But AMD's impact on gaming isn't just about CPUs. The acquisition of ATI in 2006 set the stage for their dominance in the GPU market as well. But now, let's talk Ryzen. In 2017, AMD launched the Ryzen series of CPUs, and man, this shake things up. These processors offered incredible performance at a fraction of the price of Intel's chips. Gamers and PC builders were thrilled. The multi-core performance especially was a game changer for tasks like streaming and content creation alongside gaming. For example, check out these benchmarks. Ryzen CPUs not only compete with Intel on performance, but often beat them in multi-threaded applications. This has made Ryzen a go-to choice for gamers who want the best bang for their buck. Now let's shift gears to GPUs. AMD's Radeon graphics cards have been steadily improving, but the real breakthrough came from the RX 5000 and the RX 6000 series. These GPUs brought significant performance improvements, rivaling Nvidia's offerings at competitive prices. The RX 6000 series, powered by the RDNA 2 architecture, has been particularly impressive, with features like real-time ray tracing and impressive power efficiency. These cards are a great choice for gamers who want top-tier performance without breaking the bank. AMD's rise isn't just about hardware. Their technology is now at the heart of some of the most popular gaming consoles, including the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. This means developers are optimizing their games for AMD hardware, benefiting PC gamers as well. Let's take a look at what some developers are saying about AMD's performance in terms of game development. With the first developer saying, with AMD's Ryzen CPUs and Radeon GPUs, we can push the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. And another developer also said the integration of AMD technology in consoles and PCs has streamlined our development process, allowing for more consistent performance across platforms. So what's next for AMD? The future looks bright. For the upcoming Zen 4 architecture and RDNA 3 GPUs, AMD shows no signs of slowing down. They continue to innovate and push boundaries of what's possible in the gaming hardware. Whether you're a PC gamer, a console player, or a developer, AMD's rise means better performance, more options, and a healthier competitive landscape in the gaming industry. So that is everything you need to know. AMD's journey from underdog to industry leader has been nothing short of spectacular. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup, AMD should definitely be on your radar. Otherwise, thank you for watching, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I am going to be doing a whole new series like this on the channel. Otherwise, hope you have a good day, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.